Hey guys, it's Katelyn again. I'm making this for my class. And if you're watching on YouTube, my YouTube channel's name is Katelyn's Fun House. I'm going to make slime today. We're making some from scratch, so we needed to make the borax activator. We're using 1 cup of water, warm water, and 1 teaspoon of borax. But we have a big enough bottle that we're using 2 teaspoons and 2 cups of water. Now I need to make my activator. Now I'm going to put the lid on and shake it up good and tight.
Okay.
At the bottom.
Okay, so I'm going to help out and get this out of the way. Take that, and we'll take this out of the way. And now you're ready to make some slime.
Now I'm ready to make some slime, and today I'm going to make teal slime using blue and green.
Okay.
First we got to add in the glue.
Some regular Elmer's glue.
Regular Elmer's glue. Which I'm using white glue. I'm not using the clear glue. Now I'm going to add in my blue and my green. And now I'm going to mix it. So it's pretty cool, but I'm trying to get the whites. You want to mix it completely so there's no white.
Taking too long.
I'm going to add in some more blue. It's looking pretty. It looks pretty too. Now I'm going to lighten up with some shaving cream. Now I am going to put in the activator. And you want to be careful because you don't want to over-activate it. If you over-activate it, it becomes sticky. When you first make slime, it's pretty hard to try not to over-activate, but when you start doing it more and more, it gets easier and easier. I'm going to go into it with my hands soon. So when I go in, I may come back when it's finished. So I'm going to go in with my hands now.
Keep going.
Daddy, can you help me out and put my and put the activator in?
You need some more activator.
Yeah, that's good. It's not a big slime. Because I have way too many big slimes. Alright, I'm going to come back when it's finished. See you guys when it's finished. So what I was doing while we were gone, I was gone, I was mixing and while I was waiting for my dad to put this mat down, it's called a crafting mat and it's plastic. I was playing with the slime. Now I'm going to do the slime test. First is an Instagram swirl. It's a little tough. Here it is. Now I'm going to do the click test. It's pretty good. It has a pretty good click. Now it's time for bubble test. And it does pop after you make the bubbles, but once you get all the bubbles popped, it doesn't pop anymore. This slime is tough. I can stretch it. And it's very fun to play with. I love the sound of the click. So, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!